Good morning. Today I want to show you how I make my tamale bowl. I start with just a single serving of grits, and that's like a quarter cup of grits. They look like cream of wheat, basically, just like this. And then, and I'm almost out. And then a cup of water. You just let that cook together for about 5 minutes. So I've got a timer going here, and then I pour that over a huge bowl of greens. And right now in my fridge I have arugula. That's definitely my favorite. Kale, and this is Napa cabbage. So after that, after I've poured this over this, it wilts it down just a little bit. And then I have a can of kidney beans that I just heated in a pan last night with just a little bit of water. So I rinsed and drained the beans, and then put maybe a tablespoon of water-ish in there. Just stirring my grits over here. I don't want them to stick. And then I just added some of my seasonings. So I used garlic powder, onion powder, some salt, and a little bit of this. It's Northwood's Fire. So it has salt, chipotle pepper, Hungarian paprika, garlic, rosemary, thyme, black pepper, and cayenne. So it's just got a little bit of heat to it. This is by Penzeys, by the way. It's so good. And then I will finish up the process in just a minute after I show you those components put together. I always top my tamale bowl with half of an avocado, and this is one that I put in the fridge. If you keep the side with the pit in the fridge, there is less browning. And what I do is just take a knife and I just trim just the tiniest little bit off of the edge, and then I've got a fresh green avocado half. So I use about 1/3 of the can of kidney beans, and so this can get me, one can get me through about 3 meals, which lasts about 2 to 3 days, I would say, because I love this meal. And then I just use a fresh, mild salsa. I like going with a mild salsa because then I can control the heat with other ingredients. Okay, this is taking me a while. Usually I don't use a spoon. I just pour it straight from the container. And then I take my avocado, and see, I just trimmed just this little bit, and I could even still use that because it wasn't that brown, but I just segment the avocado and put it all over this. I've got a child here also eating breakfast. So that's the cute little noises you're hearing in the background. Usually I eat right around 11 a.m. I've been doing intermittent fasting for probably close to a year, I would say. I really like it. Then I add either a little bit of sriracha. This would probably be the best, but I'm trying to use this up. It has oil in it. I've been eating whole food plant-based for 3 months now, and it does have some oil in it, but I just kind of want to use it up, so I've just been using little tiny bits. So I will place just a little bit on there. This is a medium heat, and it is so yummy. Anyway, so I just top it with that, and but you could add different grains. You could do, I've done it with quinoa and rice. You can kind of put whatever you have in the fridge that's left over. You could put corn in it, all kinds of yummy stuff. So just a minute. Okay, this is the finished product. Just drizzle a little bit of this on there. It is just so good. I love it. Yes? Okay, better go. Hope you enjoy this, and I'll talk to you again soon. Chocolate egg? That would be fun. Easter's coming up. By the way, I got the original idea for this recipe from Forks Over Knives. Okay, bye.